Hi guys, I did a little cleanup around here and switched up my shelf, and I've decided to put plants up here. I had a lot of candle holders here, but I don't really use candles like I did years ago, so
Don't put anything heavy up there. That's glass, and they'll snap right in half.
nope, there's only some pots, a few pots of plants.
Make sure they're really small.
They are, do you think?
Don't they get any weight to them, they'll snap that glass right in half.
No, they're good. I've had plants up here before. Is that
I think
okay?
you ought to put the one with the picture on the bottom where it's on the wood instead of on the glass.
Which one is that though?
The one
Oh,
with
the one in the, okay.
Because it looks like it's a little heavier than the rest.
Okay, so anyway, these are some plants that I have that I put on this shelf. I had some glass things here, and Clay just told me I should move that one there. So that's a pothos, and Clay just bought me that. This one here, oh, I can't even think of the name of it. Bromode. This is the baby of it. I'll show you how to propagate those. It's really cool.
Ramona?
Yeah.
It means Ramona?
And up here, this one here is Wonder English Ivy. This is a Croton, and I just split this, which is a button fern. And Clay wants me to move this one here down, which I don't know if there's enough space. I'll figure it out. I might have to just exchange
Put a
it.
smaller plant.
Yeah, I might have to put something different there. But anyway, he helps me in my decisions, but I don't know if you can see. But I have to back up. I'm working among boxes as we're working because we're remodeling. But bird's eye, or front view a little bit of what this looks like.
I
So-
do more than help you.
Pardon me?
I said I do more than help you.
Yes, he does. He helps me. I help him. He helps me. My hand's doing better. There was some black and blue. This is when I sprained my hand and fell, but not that it matters, but if you guys are wondering how I'm doing. But we are in the midst of working. Today was really freezing outside, so
I
everything.
just used to being 50.
Lisa Vippian 50. Let's
Yeah.
see where he is. It's messy.
2 weeks ago, 30 felt nice.
30 felt nice.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago when it was down in the teens, 30 degrees felt really warm.
Yeah, it was freezing. We just did chores. I was going to record, but my dog, what were you calling him?
Blix.
No, before you called him Blix. Twerp. He's a little twerp. But that's his, Clay calls him Blinks. Blix.
Blix.
So, yeah, those are all had to be dusted off. These candles, I had a ton of like these candles that I was moving around. I don't really do the candle thing much. Well, I can move that other plant back here. So,
You got a lot of little ones you could put over there if you had to.
yeah, well, no, I can put them over there. I'm just moving things back and forth. The
I don't
light
really
isn't.
like them over on that glass shelf.
The light is the problem over there.
I'm trying to get all my stuff picked up so that
Oh yeah, well we're moving things around.
got to
So
get to my desk.
he's going to open up that door there, unless he changes his mind. I really like the TV there, but I know that the way the house flows, it's easier. And I put some plants over here. Oh my goodness! Since we're talking plants, and this is a snake plant. This is a corn plant, like a mini one. Did I touch that? Felt weird. Probably did. This is the mother of that. That's the Bromode. I can't say it right. I'm not thinking right. We just woke up from our nap. It has like little babies on the side, and you got to snap them off. So the mother plant dies, and then you put the baby over there. Norfolk Pine. Yes, my husband helps me. See, he does help me. Aloe, which this one's been giving me trouble, but African mask, bamboo, and this is a pygmy date palm. So we put the stuff up here. We're moving things around. It's got an old junky blanket out. I'm going to take that off, but I just threw it up there. Just these guys are going outside, and I'm going to probably propagate them and make them smaller. This one, I don't know what I'm going to do. This one will just probably stay big. So we're moving things around. This is going to get moved. Clay's going to refinish the top of this. So it just needs to be done since we put the quail there. But that's okay. I'm easy going. I mean, you know.
Well, they were really babies.
They were babies. It wasn't that perfect anyway. This is an old piece, like an antique piece of furniture. So, there you go. I can give you a bird's eye of this, which looks terrible, but there's me. Hey, I just woke up from my nap. So, bird's eye view of that. You can see how tall it is, and I'm dusting and cleaning, and oh my goodness. And he's over there working. Where are you, baby?
Put some bills away.
And we take an afternoon nap. And then the dog woke me up.
You want a bit of wisdom?
Yes, doll.
Common sense is a flower that doesn't bloom in everyone's garden.
You didn't mean that towards me, did you?
Heavyweight sunglasses? Yeah.
He's picking on me.
Just use a little common sense.
Wait a minute.
It'll go
To
along.
criticize your wife,
Yeah.
common sense is a flower
It doesn't bloom in
that
everyone's
doesn't
garden.
bloom in everyone's garden. Okay, before I go further, let me stop this since we're talking stuff anyway. Philodendron leaf. You can propagate them by a leaf. I'm sorry, a money plant. This has been a debate talking about this one plant. It's right here, propagating it in water. I just figured, why not put them in something pretty? And over here, which these guys are going to be changed because I'm not happy with the pots at all, but I'm going to get a different pot, but it was okay for the moment, better than the nursery pots. Croton, another bigger corn plant, and sago. And we've got a little bit of a mess going over here, which we won't show Clay's mess this morning. I have a mess too. It's just because we're in here watching TV and doing stuff. So, and the other room that we're moving, our like family room into, has a lot more shelving and stuff. Oh, and well, since we're in here, we might as well show them your favorite, not your favorite pet, but your guy you love. If you haven't been here, my book's got to be moved too. Who is this?
Hammond.
And why? And he's celebrating St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, I put a different hat on him all the time.
And Hammond the pig. So he is in here. And then Clay and I are busy working. And there's Clay with his poetry. And I'm
It's
sorry.
not poetry, it's wisdom.
I'm sorry I picked on
But if
you.
you remember that, you can go a long ways in life.
Yeah, it is true. And I wasn't trying to pick on you because he knows. And what did I do earlier today?
But you'll meet lots of people with very little common sense, and if you remember that, you can kind of forgive them for not having the common sense.
Yeah. And you be the example. You know what I mean? You try to be the example, but it's not wrong to say common sense. Am I getting too close to her? Hey, my hand.
I know.
Okay. Oh.
But I don't like you pointing the camera on me all the time like that.
Oh, listen to him.
Nobody wants to see this old mug.
Mr. Vanity of Vanities. I always say the same thing. I don't want to see my videos. Turn off my videos. I don't want to watch myself.
I don't like watching myself either.
We always say that. But we have fun doing this. This is fun. I'm always like, turn off the camera. I always complain about it when he puts it on. Okay, love. Remember.
Big or small,
You too.
it can be a backyard farm.
Okay. God bless. Bye-bye.